Alright guys, a quick one. Here, our details. How to fix iPhone photo not showing locations. So if you took a photo on your iPhone and you discover that the iPhone is not showing location, this happens across all the photos you took on your iPhone and you want to display location on all your iPhone photos, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do to fix iPhone photos not showing location is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down, just keep scrolling, locate and click on privacy and security. Under privacy and security, locate and click on location services. Now here is it. First, you need to turn on location services. If location services is turned off, all applications that have access to the location services will not be able to access your location at the moment. So turn on location services, that's the first thing. Then again, scroll down, locate the camera you used. So here, I use my iPhone camera. If you want your iPhone camera to show location each time you snap or take a photo, click on camera and here select while using the app. So if you set this to never, your iPhone camera will not show your location while taking pictures or photos. So go ahead and click on while using the app and make sure you enable precise location. With while using the app or always and precise location is enabled, then exit the settings page. Go ahead and open the camera app. Then if you take any photo at the moment, this is going to add location to the photos. Click on the photo, then click on information icon. If you scroll down, then you should see the photo location. Also, if either or any of your photo is not showing location like this, let's say this is the photo that's not showing location because you took this photo before you turn on location services for the camera app on your iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead, open the photo just like this, click on add the location, and then add the location where you took the photo. So I'm going to say I took this photo at this location, and then hang on, then you should see the location added to the photo like this. So that is basically how to fix iPhone photos not showing location. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.